What if I told you that you don't have to work hard anymore to achieve your wildest dreams in life? No matter if you want to have your dream body, make more money, have more time available to spend with friends and family, or to travel the world. Let's see how we can use ChatGPT to achieve all of this. First, let's start how you can transform your body. To do this, I tap in the bottom left corner, upload a picture of my dream body, and upload a picture of my current body. Tap in the bottom right corner to start a voice conversation, and let's go. Hey ChatGPT, here you can see a picture of my dream body and of my current body. I'm currently 39 and I want to achieve my dream body with the least amount of work and time as possible. Please let me know the exact steps I should do to achieve this goal.
All right, Thomas, here's a super efficient 5-minute daily workout plan that you can do intensely to maximize results. This will be a full body HIIT workout focusing on compound movements. 5-minute daily workout. 1. Push-ups, 1 minute. Do as many push-ups as you can in 1 minute. This works your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. 2. Squats, 1 minute. Do bodyweight squats for 1 minute. This targets your legs and glutes. 3. Burpees, 1 minute. Perform burpees for 1 minute. This is a great full body exercise that includes a push-up and a jump.
5 minutes a day sounds great. Of course, I can get the transcript and also ask for more information like how to do push-ups, squats or burpees. And ChatGPT will give you the exact instructions how this is going to be done. Next, you can use ChatGPT to make YouTube videos. Just for fun, I created 2 videos entirely with the help of ChatGPT. And guess what? These are the most viewed videos on my channel so far. And here's how I did it. First, I asked ChatGPT how to create videos with a lot of views. It advised me to search on Google Trends for trending topics. I did exactly that and found out that a hot topic was the US debate between Donald Trump and Joe Biden. I went back to ChatGPT and asked it to search the web for current trending topics about the debate. With this information, I asked it to create a catchy YouTube video title. Next, I used one of my comprehensive prompts to use ChatGPT write the script. By the way, I link all the prompts I used in the video description below so that you can try it out for yourself. And finally, I asked ChatGPT what should be seen on the thumbnail. Following its instructions, I had my YouTube video ready in about 40 minutes. And despite not knowing much about US politics, these videos have the highest view counts on my channel so far. I started my channel 2 weeks ago and already have over 150 watch time hours, bringing me closer to monetization. If you don't know, you need at least 4,000 hours of watch time to start earning money on YouTube. But thanks to these 2 videos, I have a great start. Nevertheless, I don't plan to make more political videos, since this is not what I want to focus on. I continue making ChatGPT and AI videos instead. And here's where things get interesting. You can use ChatGPT to create an object detection program, even if you have no experience or background in coding or software development. I managed to build one within an hour. And here's how I did it. First, I asked ChatGPT how to get started with creating an object detection program. It provided me with a step-by-step guide, including the necessary software and tools. Following its instructions to install Python and other required libraries like OpenCV and TensorFlow. Next, I asked ChatGPT to help me write the code for a simple object detection program. It generated the entire code for me, explaining each part in easy to understand terms. And boom, in less than an hour, I had a fully functional object detection program up and running. All thanks to ChatGPT's step-by-step assistance. It's incredible how accessible and straightforward it made the entire process, turning a complete novice like me into a coder in no time. Now, let's dive into another fascinating use case using ChatGPT for curing diseases. First of all, it's very important. please do not try what I'm about to share with you. I'm not a doctor, I'm just a YouTuber. Always talk to a doctor before trying any of these methods. With that said, here's a true story about how I used ChatGPT to help with my girlfriend's keratosis pilaris. A few weeks ago, my girlfriend started getting a lot of redness and bumps on her face, upper arms, and thighs. After visiting a doctor and dermatologist, she was diagnosed with keratosis pilaris. The dermatologist explained that this condition is likely caused by genes and there is not a real cure for it at this time. Despite this, I decided to use ChatGPT and a dedicated GPT, which is designed to search through medical research papers on PubMed. I found that a possible cause for keratosis pilaris could also be deficiency of vitamin A. So we sent my girlfriend to Quest Labs to get her vitamin A levels tested. And surprise, her levels were much too low. Next, I went back to ChatGPT and asked how to increase vitamin A levels. And ChatGPT suggested foods like chicken liver, salmon, whole eggs, but also warned that too high levels of vitamin A can be life-threatening. So now, roughly 3 months later, her vitamin A levels are back to normal and the redness and bumps are gone. Again, please do not try this by yourself. Always talk to a doctor when it comes to your health and the health of your loved ones. But I just wanted to share this true story with you. Next up, let's talk about using ChatGPT for solving math problems. Whether you're tackling a math problem for yourself or helping kids or grandkids with their homework, ChatGPT can assist you no matter how challenging the task or equation. Simply take a picture of your homework or the task you need to solve and ask ChatGPT for the solution. And here's a bonus tip. If you don't want just the simple solution, you can ask ChatGPT to guide you through the process. You can request specific questions and advice, so you still need to solve some of the problems on your own. This way, you can learn how to solve the task while getting the help you need. Both approaches are possible. Just ask ChatGPT how it should help you solve the math problems and it will cater to your preferred learning style. Next, use ChatGPT to help you understand technical terms and historical events. And here's where things get interesting. I was thinking about investing some money in the stock market. And while watching YouTube videos, I kept hearing about the Great Depression and yeah, I knew roughly what it was, but needed a quick refresher. For this, I turned to ChatGPT. It explained what I need to know, answered my follow-up questions, and got me ready to dive back into the videos. I also encountered 2 more terms, like one was depreciation and another one was yield curve. Again, I asked ChatGPT about these, and in a matter of seconds, I could understand the expert language. ChatGPT is a fantastic tool for quickly grasping technical terms and historical events, making complex topics much easier to understand. Now, let's talk about how ChatGPT can help you understand return policies from online and offline shops. Return policies and small print can be confusing, but ChatGPT can help you understand them easily. And here's how. First, copy the entire return policy from the website, paste it into ChatGPT, and ask it to explain the policy in very simple terms. If you still don't understand something, simply ask ChatGPT to explain it even better and to give you an example. ChatGPT is patient and won't judge you for asking questions. When you are in a retail store, ask for the return policy and take a picture of it using ChatGPT's photo camera. ChatGPT can then explain it to you in easy to understand language. With ChatGPT, you can easily decode complicated return policies and feel more confident about your purchases. Again, you can find all the prompts I used in the video description below. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.